Rye did all the work.
Looks nice. I like that.
So we redid the porch.
You didn't put new concrete in, did you?
We just concreted the corner.
We painted the foundation so that we got a new egress window. We also lowered the door so that when it hit the overhang.
Oh.
No more hitting the overhang.
No more hitting.
All right, you ready to see inside?
Yes. I like that.
So in here we
Did you paint those?
That's your cabinets.
See, that's what I want to do on these floors. That's what my plans were.
Yep.
Looks nice.
Handles on the
I
cover.
know.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah. So what do you think? We were able to save the countertop,
All right. Yeah.
but that's why we went with green cabinets because we
Yeah.
weren't sure what color
Color to
would
do
work
it.
with everything.
Yeah.
So
I think it looks good.
I do too. Looks nice.
And we kept our windows.
yeah,
Yeah.
kept your windows,
I was gonna say the windows weren't that old, were they?
No. They're not.
changed the fans.
Oh, you did, didn't you?
Yeah, changed that one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I like that light. I never even noticed that. I like that light.
Yeah, it's
Brings
LED, so it's super bright.
Brings all that brightness out.
But that's good though, it needs the brightness in the kitchen to kind of open it up.
Cool.
We ended up changing all the carpet. We got a good enough deal that we just did it all, so it all matches.
Ah! Door.
Got a door.
door.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
What did we do in the bathroom, Rye?
We did everything.
Nice.
Oh, really? Oh.
You see it?
No, I
We
know I'll drive by.
we took the bathroom down to the studs.
Well, wow.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh?
Holy.
Yeah.
Wow. You guys did good.
So, I mean, this is pretty basic in here, but
I miss my slats.
yeah, we debated on the tile and it came down to what would be universal. Would somebody, either they're going to love it or hate it.
Yeah. Looks nice in here.
Yeah, bright. I want
Yeah.
to see downstairs.
Feels bright.
You want to see downstairs?
Sure do. Oh wow, that is just, I love how you guys, that is so pretty.
Yeah, you put carpet
Oh, you
on.
guys got that all painted.
It's nice.
It looks more open with all
Yeah.
the lighter colors.
I like that window.
Yeah, so you got some light from the egress window. Get
Yeah.
it counted as a bedroom.
That,
Painted the, we drywalled.
Yeah.
And then painted what we had left, which was the closet. So,
Yeah.
and then again put in LED
I like
lights
these.
just because they're brighter.
yeah, it's brighter. Yeah.
It looks nice, I like it.
Mm-hmm.
You guys did really, really good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Uh-huh.
I like this. You even put a door on it.
Well, thanks. Are you wanting to move back in now?
No, actually, I like where we are. We finally we grilled out on the patio tonight.
Oh, okay. First time out.
Yep.
Awesome.
Love it out there.
Awesome.
Delicious, you made awesome steak, you should have.
Yeah. So, I enjoy this. Like, this is the second time we brought somebody through one of our houses that they used to live in. So,
This looks nice.
I don't know. We just, to me, it's more fun than even like the new people seeing it because you guys saw
it
the
before.
before.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I guess we just got to say thanks for letting us buy your house.
No problem. I couldn't do it.
Hey, no
couldn't do
problem.
it.